Just because
treadmill.
it's green?
I don't know. I don't think it. No, it's not green.
It's just the front pattern.
It's a front pattern.
Okay,
yeah.
everybody, get ready to go.
Okay, then.
She got this.
She
got
this.
this.
It's a long one. Alrighty then.
Oh wow, she looks so slaying.
Yeah, she's slaying.
She's serving.
She's serving.
Oh, she's serving. Yeah.
Alrighty then. Finally, the announcement everyone has been waiting for. Yes, specifically this one. The concert merchant booth! Yeah! We've prepared some incredibly beautiful merch.
Beautiful.
Yes, so let's check it out. First is the Essentials Pack. As the name suggests, includes essential. Oh, it's coming up. It's coming up. There it is.
Yeah. More.
Yes! It includes essential items for the concert. Let me introduce the set contents one by one.
Ooh.
First, let me introduce the light stick that is on the left. In the left, it has a beautiful gemstone shape and it has a flower design on the inside. I wonder what that
It's
motif
so
is based on. It might be based on something. I think it'll look absolutely gorgeous when the venue lights up with these diamonds. So please make sure to get one, everybody. I will be sad if you guys are using other light sticks. I mean, you can use other light sticks if you have to, but I would really like it if you guys used this light stick. And the t-shirt. Yes, the next up is the t-shirt that features a stylish design with the concert logo. Perfect for everyday use.
Yay!
Yes, the back has the concert title and dates, making it the perfect keepsake to remember the concert by. Even, years later, you'll be like, I went to this concert, and you can wear it as pajamas or whatever you want. Yes, next is the towel that is on the right side. It uses a super cute design featuring the key visual. Man, she's taking it like a champ. She's
so calm.
even like breathing heavily. Okay, please use this towel to wipe off your sweat after, taking a run on a treadmill or to, during the concert to hype up the concert.
Yeah.
Plus, it comes with an acrylic keychain as a purchase bonus. So if you get the whole set, it comes with this. It has a ticket-style design with a beautiful aurora finish. So it is very shiny, sparkly. It's so beautiful. You'll get it when you buy the Essentials Pack. So make sure to check it out.
Yippee!
Yay! And there's still Japanese. Oh, she's still taking it.
She's still going.
She doesn't even look tired.
早くお願いします、リス先輩。
お願いしてきた。
No, I'm good.
She good? She good? Okay. では最後はライブグッズのご紹介です。今映ってるのがライブの定番アイテムが入った応援セットになります。どれもめちゃくちゃいいデザインでとってもお気に入り。それに特典としてオーロラココのアクリルキーチェーンもついてくるよ。すっごいおすすめだから。ぜひチェックしてね。Next, oh, we're not done. Next, take a look at this. You can also buy the items from the Essentials Pack individually. Prices are there. And besides the Essentials Pack, we're also releasing button badges.
はい、大丈夫です。
Let me know if you want me to take over.
はい、大丈夫です。
They feature the key visual with a gorgeous holographic design. I'd love to see you all make an Ita bag with these badges. I wonder how many you need to make one bag.
Ita bag?
Yeah,
Ita bag?
I wonder how many, but Ita bag 作ってくれると嬉しいな。応援セットのグッズは個別で買うこともできるよ。もちろん。そして応援セット以外に缶バッジもあります。缶バッジはホログラム仕様のデザインになっているので、ぜひこれでItaバッグ作ってアイリスに見せてほしいな。 何個買わなきゃいけないのかなその場合。でも、ね、板バッグ絶対素敵だと思う。キラキラしてるからね。It's very sparkly, so it'll make nice for Ita bag. So, the merchandise we've introduced so far are the advanced shipping items that will be delivered before the concert. All the items so far were so beautiful, weren't they? But actually, there's more merch! There's more! Yes. Next up, these are the made-to-order items that will be delivered after the concert. Check this out.
Oh.
Hoi! First
Ooh, pretty.
is the acrylic stand. It features the beautiful key visual design, and I think it'll look incredibly cute displayed at home. Ooh.
Oh, but isn't there a little hole right there? What's that for?
I wonder what those two holes could be for. I wonder why.
I guess I'll just have to wait and see, right, Senpai? Would you show me?
Yeah, I'll show you. Finally, we have the motif charm. The motif from my outfit has been turned into a keychain. You sure you don't need it?
Hurry up!
It even features the logo, making it the perfect keepsake to remember the concert by.
Yeah.
And it'll definitely add a stylish touch when attached to your bag. It's nice and hefty. Yeah. Metal. さっき紹介したグッズ以外にライブの後にお届けする受注販売グッズもあります。アクリルスタンドは今回のキービジュアルを使っててとっても可愛く仕上がってます。あの穴は何なんだろうね。なんで穴なんだろう。そしてモチーフチャームはロゴとかも入ってライブの記念グッズにもぴったりだし、バッグとかにつけたらおしゃれなワンポイントアクセントになること間違いなしだよ。What do you guys think?
Yeah.
So cute.
So cute. I love them. I want them. Can I get a free set?
A free set?
yeah.
Nothing's more expensive than free things.
I like the t-shirt.
Yeah.
I like the towel.
Do you like
I like the acrylic stand.
That's literally
I
everything.
like the charm. I like the pendant.
Yeah. Aren't they all so cute? They go on sale right after this stream. So if anything catches your eye, please check out the Hololive Prediction official shop.
Yeah.
To recap the important notes, the
Yes,
advanced
please recap
shipping,
very carefully. Yes.
The advanced shipping items will arrive before the concert.
Before the concert.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, you got that? You got
yes.
that?
One more time.
The advanced shipping items will arrive before the concert.
Before the concert.
And then what?
And then the made-to-order items will arrive after the concert.
And after is after before.
Is
Yeah.
after before?
It's like after
You can
before.
also check all the concert information launching today. You should find it by searching for IRyS first concert. So go check it out for more details.
And you can also check. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. Down, please. Down. ここまで紹介してきたライブ情報は特設サイトでもチェックできます。すごく素敵な特設サイトになってます。ぜひみんなでね、IRyS First Concert で検索すれば出てくると思うから、詳しい情報はそこをチェックしてね。特設サイトは日本語にも切り替えられるから、英語が苦手な人でも安心だよ。Also, just a quick note, the anniversary merch will be available for sale at a later date. This is not anniversary merch. This is solo live concert merch. It'll be a little ways off. It will be a little ways off. So don't worry about anniversary merch for now. But please look forward to it. It will happen within the year. Okay. And there is one more announcement.
One more announcement.
Yes. Amazingly. Oh, what did you guys switch?
I was motioned to come over.
Wait, how fast is it going?
8.
Oh, wow.
Do more.
Wow.
More.
Yeah, you can probably
Yeah,
go
I ran
fast.
it for 8 for a bit, then I realized 6.5 was probably good.
Wow. Oh, whoa, it's going fast.
okay.
Whoa. Okay, there's one more announcement. Amazingly, the album that went up for pre-order in March will be digitally released on July 12th at 12 a.m. JST, midnight tonight.
Oh.
Yes. Yes. Plus, right after this stream, the music video for Muse, which is included in the album, will be released. Yes, MV. この後 MV も公開するよ。その中で一曲 Look at this. Yes.
That's my girl.
It's a music video filled with lots of love and care. Yeah. So let's watch it together. Right after this, we're gonna redirect directly into this. So don't close the
Where did your
stream
clothes
yet.
go?
Where did my clothes go?
clothes go?
I don't know either.
She was tired after the workout.
Yeah. That's how I look like after
Took them all off.
You know, I'm shiny. Look how shiny it is. That's probably sweat. And that's all for the concert details. Yeah, you're like sporting it. How do you say this? You're slaying it. Yeah.
She's slaying.
You're slaying it.
You're slaying
Yes.
it.
Okay, then how did everyone feel about our showdowns? We can go from the girl running.
Yeah, how did you feel?
How'd you feel?
Great. It was fun. It was great seeing you run.
Yeah.
So proud of IRyS. And also, we didn't start the stream with this, but happy anniversary! Happy anniversary!
Thank you guys. Yes,
5 years is a really long time.
Yeah.
And as your dorky, just want to say I'm so proud of you.
Thank
You
you.
did so good, and you're gonna do so great at your live. Happy 5th anniversary.
Thank you. Thank you very much, guys.
Can I come off now?
Yeah,
No.
you can. If you want to.
Yes. No. Yes.
Okay, then next up, okay, let's just go this way. Biboo.
アイリス先輩。
日本語なんだ。
IRyS 先輩。
Anniversary is what?
Anniversary.
アニバーサリーはアニバーサリーで大丈夫。
おめでとう。You
ありがとう。
accomplished so
ありが
much.
とうね。
I'm so proud of you. おめでとう、アイリス先輩。You're such a good. I look up to you, 先輩。
Oh, do you? Oh, do you?
Yeah.
Oh, do you? Oh, do you? そうか。
I'm so proud. Congratulations on all your accomplishments.
ありがとね。ありがとね。Alrighty, thank you, my beautiful, cute kohai. And I have one more cute kohai here. Who?
IRyS senpai, happy anniversary! 5 years, as they all said, is a really long time. And you know, Advent's just about to be 3 years old, so just thinking about the fact that you've been here since for me, pretty much the beginning, you know, like watching as a viewer, you know.
Thank
and
you.
like, seeing everything, going back and hearing your first song again, I was like, oh, so natsukashi!
ありがとう。
And I can't wait for everyone to see you live at your first solo live! Which is so deserved and earned, and I'm so proud of
あり
you!
がとう。
And I can't wait to see. I will be there.
Yes.
Please, I hope you guys all watch.
We're gonna
Yes,
do a watch
everyone.
along. We're gonna do a watch along. We're gonna
Yes,
cheer you on.
thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. And everyone in chat, please watch too.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, then. That was a lot of hard work just to
Yes.
get the info out. Everyone ran. Do you think I became the fastest on this mountain pass?
Yeah!
Drift queen! Alrighty then. You guys also drove amazingly. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for having us. Alrighty then. Now that I've become a proper street racer, I'll work hard practicing to bring an awesome concert to everyone. 本当にね、これからが大変なんですよね。I've been preparing so far, but right, it's gonna speed up much more because time is ticking. I'm gonna do my best to, give you guys an amazing, unforgettable live. So I really hope you guys can support me, and I really hope that you guys can be there to witness it yourself, getting tickets, whether it be streaming or genchi, actual live tickets. Venue, yes, venue tickets. ぜひアイリスをこれから準備いろいろ本当に今も頑張ってるし、これからさらに頑張んなきゃいけないんで、ぜひ見に来てください。素晴らしいパフォーマンスを送り届けるために頑張ってます。現地のチケットもぜひ、現地のチケットじゃなくても全然ライブ配信チケットでも買ってくれると嬉しいな。はい、ありがとうございます。 forward to the concert, and we're gonna go straight into the MV. So yeah. この後MV にそのまま飛ぶんでみんな見に来てね。